So we are going to discuss about this lithium bromide absorption refrigeration system. So here the main parts are, there is this cylindrical part is an absorber, which is a generator, and this cylindrical part is an absorber, and there is a condenser vessel, and here there is an evaporator vessel, and we are using this setup so that we are able to get low temperature liquid. That is, here we are providing the high temperature liquid here, and we are, by this system we are cooling that high temperature liquid, and at last we are taking out low temperature liquid. So here for the time being, first take that here this is the concentrated solution, here this is weak solution, and we can, as course proceeds, we comes to know why high temperature high concentrated solution is available here and weak solution is available here. First, what happens is, from here the water will be flowing, and at the expansion valve this water will be expanding, so that now here the temperature of that water is reduced, and now this water, keep in note that it is the water that passes through this pressure reducing valve or expansion valve. So pressure is reduced, and now it comes to here the evaporator. So what happens is, in evaporator through this duct a high temperature liquid is coming in. So this water absorbs heat from this high temperature liquid, such that this liquid coming in this evaporator is cooled, but the water absorbs heat, so that water here get evaporated. So as it get evaporated, the water will be forming vapors, and these vapors are absorbed by lithium bromide. We are using lithium bromide system because this lithium bromide is a good absorbent of water. So what happens is, this is a sprayer, and in this sprayer we are spraying this lithium bromide. So these sprays will absorb water vapor, and this will be accumulating here in this absorber tank. So as we know, to the lithium, this is lithium bromide which is coming out. To this lithium bromide water is added, so that the concentration reduces. So we are having a weak solution here. So this weak solution is then passed over by a pump to this generator. So in generator, first we are adding the weak lithium bromide solution. In generator, then by a heating coil we are adding this solution. We are heating this solution. So as this solution is heated, water vapors will be coming out. So as water vapor comes out, the solution becomes concentrated. So we are having a concentrated solution in the absorber. This water vapor which are coming here will get condensed, because we are using a pump and cooling water. A cooling water will be pumped through this line, such that this water vapor will absorb, get cooled, because this cooling water will absorb heat from this water vapor, and this water vapor will get condensed, and we will get a liquid, and this liquid is then passed through pressure valve, and this process continues. And here we have seen that we are spraying lithium bromide, and how we spray that lithium bromide is, already we know the solution available here is concentrated, because H2O is leaving from the solution because of heating. So that concentrated solution is taken for sprinkling lithium bromide here. So this is the entire setup. So if you are describing it, it will be like, from the condenser we are taking the water, and that water is passed to evaporator. So in evaporator, this water absorbed heat from the high temperature liquid, and it will become water vapor. But as we are sprinkling the lithium bromide, which has a high affinity towards this water vapor, this water this water and lithium bromide form a solution, and this solution now it get accumulated in the absorber. From the absorber we are pumping this is weak solution, that we are pumping to generator. In generator, by adding heat we are extracting this water out of this solution such that here we are getting a strong solution, and this water is cooled by an external mechanism, and a part of this high concentrated solution available here is fed through this sprayer, so that the absorbing purpose is continued in this absorber. So now the thing is to be noted is, from cooling water we are taking a portion of the coolant water. That coolant water is used to cool this absorber, and also a portion is used to cool the water in the condenser. So this is a lithium bromide absorption refrigeration system. As in usual case, we have condenser and evaporator, but we do not have a compressor here. A compressor is the one with the reciprocating parts and all, so there will be various vibration and various efficiency losses and all, but we are able to avoid compressor in this particular mechanism. And we have adopted the affinity of lithium bromide to absorb water to replace a compressor. So that's lithium bromide absorption refrigeration.